Postcard from Africa. A quick journey through the continent's most wonderful places. Travel and discover Africa's beauty on the airwaves of Ifrikya FM.
Do you want to escape into the continent's most beautiful and surprising places? Come with me today. We are traveling to the southeast of Madagascar, where the air is warm and heavy with the scent of rain. We are heading to Ranomafana National Park, one of the island's most fascinating natural treasures. Ranomafana means hot water in Malagasy, a name inspired by the natural thermal springs that flow nearby. The park stretches across steep hills and deep valleys covered in thick tropical forest. From the moment you arrive, everything feels alive. The mist, the waterfalls, the song of birds hiding in the canopy. The rainforest shelters a remarkable variety of wildlife. Among the leaves, lemur leap from branch to branch, colorful chameleons blend with moss and bark, and rare orchids bloom in the shade. Ranomafana is home to the golden bamboo lemur, a species discovered in the late 1980s and found only here. That discovery led to the park's creation, marking a turning point for Madagascar's conservation efforts. Exploring Ranomafana is like stepping into another world. The forest trails twist through rivers and giant ferns, and the sound of water follows you everywhere. The humidity clings to your skin, the ground is soft beneath your feet, and every step reveals something new. A rustle, a flash of movement, a sudden splash. What makes this place special is not only its wildlife, but also the people who live around it. The surrounding villages depend on the forest, and their knowledge of the land is passed down through generations. They farm the hillsides, harvest coffee and vanilla, and take part in protecting the park. Nature and community exist side by side, each giving life to the other. At sunset, the air fills with the sound of frogs and insects starting their nightly symphony. The rhythm of the rainforest takes over, soft and constant, reminding you that this is one of the last places where the balance between people and nature still holds. Ranomafana is a world of rain, life, and quiet wonder. It invites you to slow down, breathe deeply, and listen. Every sound, every color, every drop of water tells the same story, one of resilience and renewal. This was your postcard from Africa. I am Amira Dekhili, and I hope this journey into Madagascar's rainforest reminds you how much beauty still thrives when we choose to protect it.